Your first flight lesson reveals a key challenge: cockpit organization. A pilot kneeboard is the professional solution. In your first flight lesson, you'll quickly discover the cockpit is a terrible place to organize paperwork. Between the yoke, throttle, and headset cords, loose papers and pens create chaos. A trifold kneeboard solves this instantly. It straps to your thigh, providing a stable clipboard, a pocket for your chart, and a secure pen holder. This simple tool keeps critical information accessible without forcing you to take your hands off the controls, turning a stressful environment into a managed workspace. Choosing the right kneeboard starts with understanding the two main types, VFR and IFR. A VFR, or Visual Flight Rules kneeboard, is perfect for student pilots. It features a clipboard for ATIS and taxi clearances, and a pocket for your sectional chart. An IFR, or Instrument Flight Rules kneeboard, adds features for more complex flying, like a special clip for approach plates and printed IFR reference data. Starting instrument training is the right time to upgrade to an IFR model. A kneeboard is an active tool for managing cockpit tasks. Before every flight, you'll use it to copy the ATIS broadcast. During taxi and departure, it's where you'll write down ATC clearances. For complex instrument clearances, pilots use the craft method, writing down the clearance limit, route, altitude, frequency, and transponder code in an organized way. This isn't just about neatness, it's about accuracy and safety, ensuring you never miss a critical piece of information from air traffic control. On checkride day, your kneeboard organization directly impacts your success. Designated pilot examiners evaluate cockpit management, and a tidy kneeboard demonstrates professionalism. Before the flight, it should hold your completed navigation log, pre-written frequencies, and weight and balance summary. An examiner expects to see you using it to track your flight, copy clearances, and manage your plan. Arriving with loose papers or an empty nav log suggests a lack of preparation, which is not the impression you want to make. So which one should you buy? For most new students, the ASA KB-3-A is the industry standard your instructor will recommend. It's a proven, affordable VFR kneeboard. However, if you're on a budget or know you'll be pursuing an instrument rating, consider the CYA VFR IFR Hybrid. At a lower price, it handles both visual and instrument flights, saving you from buying a second kneeboard later. Both are excellent trifold designs that will serve you well through your primary training and beyond. While iPads and electronic flight bags are powerful tools, most examiners still expect you to be proficient with paper charts and a traditional kneeboard for your checkride. The smart progression is to start with a reliable trifold kneeboard for your primary and instrument training. Once you're a rated pilot, you can add an iPad kneeboard. Many professional pilots use both, keeping the traditional kneeboard as a trusted backup. Ensuring they're prepared for any situation, choosing the right gear is the first step. The next is building your knowledge. Visit openexamprep.com to read the full kneeboard buying guide and access our free study tools. Test your knowledge with thousands of practice questions for the private pilot, instrument rating, and CFI exams, and get answers from our AI tutor. Prepare for your check ride the right way.